Mathematics, and the topic is linear equations. We are going to do such a problem. It was there some time back in KCSE, and it was carrying 4 marks. So let us see the way we go about these 4 marks. So we go through the question. In 14 years' time, a mother will be twice as old as her son. In 14 years' time, a mother will be twice as old as her son. That one is talking about the future. 4 years ago, we are now talking about the past. The sum of their ages was 30 years. Find how old the mother was when the son was born. How old the mother was when the son was born. How do you go about this? What you do is that you draw 3 columns. You draw 3 columns. Here you have present. And here you have the future. You have the future. Like that, Lana. So you go to your question. You have the present, today, past is ago, and then you have the future. So in 14 years' time, Lana, a mother will be twice as old as her son. You come to this because that one is talking about the future. You come and write here 14 years' time. In 14 years' time, the mother, you come and write the mother here, and here you write the son. There. So in 14 years' time, you go to that column of the future. The mother, a mother will be twice as old as her son. So if the son will be X years, the mother will be 2X. The mother will be 2X. Okay? Then, you come here. 4 years ago, this is now to do with the past. 4 years ago, the sum of their ages was 30. 4 years ago here. 4 years ago, sorry. 4 years ago, the sum of their ages will be 30. It will add up to 30. So how do you go about that? Find how old the mother was when the son was born. So how do you go about this? You come to the future. You say, if in future the son will be X years, what about today? What about the present? It will be X minus 14. X minus 14. You subtract. Because you're talking about the future here. So in the future, the mother will be 2X years. In 14 years' time, the mother will be 2X. So to get the present here, Lana, you subtract 14 also. So you talk of 2X minus 14. So these are their ages today. Then you now go to the past here. If today the mother is this old, what about 4 years ago? You subtract again. You subtract 4 years. And therefore the mother will be 2X minus 14 minus the 4 years. And therefore this gives us what? This will give us 2X minus 14 minus 4 will give you minus 18. So you come and write there minus 18. We go to the son. Today the son is X minus 14 years. So 4 years ago, the son was how old? Again you subtract 4. So it will be X minus 14 minus 4 years. And this would give you what? This would give you again X minus 18. And therefore, we are being told that this age plus this age, 4 years ago, would add up to 30 years. The sum of their ages was 30 years. So this plus this would give you 30 years. So you come and add the 2, Lana. You add the 2 like that, you equate to 30. You bring the like terms together there. Minus 18 Lana is what? Minus 36. Minus 36 gives you 30. And therefore this is 3x is equals to 30 plus 36. Lana. And therefore this is 3x is equals to 66 Divide by 3 to get your x. And therefore, what is your x? Your x is 22. Your x is 22. So, you go to their present ages. How old are they today? You look at the mother. So, the mother today is 2x minus 14. We have already got our x, that it is 22. 22. Our x is 22. So, you come and substitute. Put a 22 there, minus 14. This gives us what? 2 times 22 is 44, minus 14. So the mother is 30 years today. What about the son? What about the son? The son is what? X minus 14. And therefore, our x again is 22. Our x is 22. So we substitute and we subtract. And therefore, 22 minus 14 would give you 8. So, find how old the mother was when the son was born. The age difference. So, the age difference, how do you get it? You just subtract. You take the age of the mother today, you subtract that one of the son, and therefore, you should get 22 years old. How old the mother was when the son was born. When the son was born, the mother was 22 years old. So thank you very much. Go and practice on linear equations.